Alright, so today we're going to be making a compost bin out of a standard trash can that's used around the house. I've got one of my kiddos here that's going to be following instructions, hopefully, and making one of these. So basically, this is just your standard trash can. I think it's 32 gallons. All you basically need is a drill with a 1/2 inch bit on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and put in about 25 to 30 holes. We'll put 20 holes in the body and put a handful on the top and a handful on the bottom, and we'll start composting. So get the drill going here. See if she can do it, if she remembers the directions. Yeah, we're going to do 5 rows of, we're going to do 4 rows of 5 holes each. Space them out kind of even. It's recording now, so just point it where I'm at. Alright, so Dad's going to go ahead and take over the here. Again, we're going to do 4 rows of 5 holes. We want them lined up. Start your drill slow. Pick up speed as you go. So that's 1 row. And we'll do another row with some tighter holes. We'll do the reverse side, and what this is going to do is it's going to allow air to pass through the tops, the bottom, and the sides, which is what you need in order to keep aerating the soil and compost that's inside. As for the drill bit, any drill bit will work, but 1/2 inch is probably the largest I would go, so that your product doesn't fall out of the bin. If you choose to use a smaller drill bit, you'll have to put in more holes. Alright, that's it for the sides. Now we're going to go ahead and put the seat section. We'll put in a couple of holes here, maybe 2 or 3.
I can do the top.
Top is actually a little harder than the sides, just because it's rounded. Alright, so now what we'll do, pull the top off. Like this. What that also does is it gets rid of the plastic shavings that were inside the trash can. Now you'll notice that this has an impression, which is on the reverse side is the higher portion, so we want to do the holes on the lowest part of the trash can to allow water to drain. So we'll go ahead and just do it. Just like that. Now you got yourself a compost bin. And just for the manner of locking the lid on, I went ahead and put a couple of holes on both sides of the trash can that I will eventually take a bungee cord and hook it on one side and go over the lid and hook it on the other side, and that'll help keep the critters out. Alright, well, next step, we're going to put in some product and find a home for this and get back to you. Alright, so we got our trash can in place. we leveled out the ground a little bit, put some bricks underneath it, put the trash can up on top. And what that'll do is it'll separate the bottom of the trash can from the ground and allow that airflow to circulate underneath. But at the same time, if there is any fluid buildup, it'll drain out the bottom as well. Part of the composting is that you have to keep it moist, and by doing so you'll have liquid that needs to escape. That's part of what helps break down the compost inside, is moist product, as well as churning it every, maybe once a week, twice a week, just to keep everything nice and mixed. And the way that you'll do this is you'll add your what they call browns versus your greens, and you'll layer it. So you'll have a layer of brown, which would be your dead leaves and sticks and things of that nature, paper. And green, think of it as household materials like vegetables and fruits and things like that. Alright, if you check out my blog post, I'll have more information about what you can and cannot put into the compost bin and show you how it works. Alright, thanks for watching. On to the next.